So it's 40 degrees in the shop right now. And over my reloading bench, I have some old school fluorescent lights. You can hear the buzzing. They struggle in the cold. Sometimes I'll heat them up when I come out here with my little space heater. And I get these heated up. Just wave this back and forth and get that unit heated up. Get them working. And it's a real pain in the butt. So today I picked up some LED bulbs, and we're gonna see if that makes things better. Stay tuned. There is a significant size difference in between the two. It's kind of has a shaded coating to it. So you have a clear side, a dark side. Purchased these at Costco for under $20. It's item number 1063293. We'll get these babies installed and go from there. So it's still 40 degrees in the shop. I've replaced the fluorescent bulbs over my reloading bench with the LED ones, and I'll flip the switch. Instant light. No heating, no nothing. Just a nice bright light over my reloading bench. This is the 4-foot tubes 2-pack. Instant full brightness, cool white. Uses 47% less energy. Save approximately $164 in energy cost per pack. 17 watts. 50,000 life hours. Based on using, based on using fixtures with T8 electronic ballasts, life will vary depending on ballast type. Based on using these two LED lamps for 50,000 hours at 11 cents a kilowatt hour, compared to using two 32-watt fluorescent lamps using T8 electronic ballast over 50,000 hours, your savings will depend on your rates. Fluorescent lamp you're replacing in actual hours of operation. 47% energy savings is based on the difference between using a 17-watt LED replacement lamp compared to using a 32-watt fluorescent lamp with electronic ballast. So we'll see how this works out. But what I was looking for in my application is in my shop, I don't have any heat. I have some insulation in the walls here and there, but still, it's 40 degrees, and I plan on replacing more and more as I can afford it, because these fluorescent ones do struggle in the colder temperatures. So yeah, thanks for watching.